Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight in to unravel the magic of using task followers in Asana. To begin, go to your Asana task list and select the task you'd like to add followers to. Once you've selected the task, a details pane will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can see all the nitty-gritty information associated with the task. The reason we choose this task specifically is because it's the one we want our followers to be updated on. Next up, look for the Followers field. This is located under the Assignee field in the Task Details pane. This helps us because it's where we'll add the people we want to keep in the loop. Now, here's the fun part. Click on the Followers field and start typing the name of the person you want to add. As you type, Asana will auto-suggest matches from your team. Once you see the person you're looking for, simply click on their name to add them as a follower. Let me explain why this matters. Adding followers to a task keeps them informed about updates and comments, ensuring everyone is on the same page. But what if you want to remove a follower? It's simple. Just hover over the follower's name and click the small X that appears. This is important because there may be times when a follower no longer needs updates, or perhaps you added someone by mistake. Now that we've done that, it's time to understand what happens behind the scenes. Every time a task is updated, Asana will send notifications to all the followers. This means they'll receive an inbox notification and an email update. This is crucial as it maintains transparency and ensures everyone is aware of task progression. That's it. You've mastered the art of using task followers in Asana. Remember, the key to successful task management is clear communication, and using task followers in Asana is a great step towards that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time, where we'll explore more ways to maximize productivity with Asana.